The power of small spaces. Have you ever noticed how the smallest room in the house often makes the most powerful impression? In luxury design, designers call the guest bathroom a jewel box. It's that rare space where you can step away from the practical needs of the rest of the home and create something truly magical. Imagine it as a personal sanctuary for your guests, a place where every detail should be felt and touched. Today, I'll share how you can transform this tiny room into a luxurious retreat that's both sophisticated and deeply welcoming. Use texture and drama. In a small space, discretion is actually the biggest risk. This is a room where you want to use texture you can almost feel with your eyes. Instead of matte paint, imagine the organic touch of woven grasscloth wallpaper or a rich, velvety floral print. When you envelop a small room in deep, rich tones, corners seem to disappear, creating a feeling of coziness and security. It's not about making a room larger, but about giving it a more thoughtful, intimate, and sophisticated feel. A flattering glow. We've all experienced it. Walking into a bathroom with harsh overhead lighting that makes you turn around. To create a luxurious atmosphere, we need soft, warm light. Ditch the standard ceiling fixtures and opt for elegant wall sconces installed at eye level. This will create a soft, diffused glow on your face, which will accentuate your beauty. And don't forget the dimmer. The light should feel like a warm embrace, creating a calm, serene, and sophisticated atmosphere. Quality you can feel. Since the space is small, you can focus on quality over quantity. You don't need a huge budget to create an impressive interior. Start with the vanity. Instead of a standard white cabinet, look for natural wood options like warm white oak or rich walnut. Wood instantly adds a touch of organic luxury and gives a room a sense of solidity and warmth that stone or tile alone can't achieve. As for countertops, even a small piece of quartz or polished granite can work wonders. It's durable, easy to clean, and exudes timeless elegance. And here's my favorite budget-friendly design trick. Focus on the room's embellishments. Replacing standard cabinet pulls with solid brass or matte black hardware is one of the easiest ways to give a space a personalized, unique look. It's these small tactile details, the heft of the pull, the smoothness of the stone, that draw the eye and create a sense of completeness and thoughtfulness. Final, sensory layers. True luxury, like a jewel box, lies in the finishing touches. This is where all the senses are engaged. Imagine the feel of a crisp, thick linen towel or the subtle, soothing scent of a high-quality sandalwood candle. Add a small piece of textured art or a simple vase with a single green sprig. It's not just embellishments, it's the layers that create the feeling of a carefully crafted home. Turning your guest bathroom into a jewel box requires choosing quality materials and having the courage to be a little bold. It's proof that you don't need a lot of square footage to create beauty. If you enjoyed these tips, please like and subscribe. I'm here to help you navigate the design world of 2026 and create a home that's as cozy as it is beautiful. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What would you change in your guest bathroom? Let's discuss it in the comments.